If you love the installation, so if you love the install, so if you love the installation of the video, hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Ride with Bless, accompanied by Ride with Warm Machine, bro. Today we have two bikes, which I am the sole owner of the Himalayan 452, and accompanied by the Himalayan 411 itself. You can see it's a complete beast. So guys, today we have something special for the Himalayan 452, and the owner of it will show you. Moto Genius Fork Seal Protector. Yes, my guys, Fork Seal Protector, which we got on Flipkart sale, which was worth around 300 rupees. So stay tuned, subscribe, and love the video, guys. Please show some shares, comment down for the next product. We should give some reviews and like unboxing and all. So today is the fork seal of Himalayan 452. Chill out. So let's open the box, guys. And the box contains two fork seals. Here I can show you. See? And some, I guess, 4 zip ties. So yeah, the fork seals of Moto Genius, and the quality is really good, I think so. But we can't define with the quality right now because we have to make a review with the fork seal. Riding at least around 200-300 kilometer, I may then open the seal and check if the mud is actually going inside the fork seal or touching the forks. And also I will place this right now, and I'll make another review video after some 200-300 kilometers telling how actually it performed. So for right now, I'll place the fork seal right over here. So now I have passed the zip tie to the seal protector, and now I'll show you how it is passed. So to apply the right side fork seal protector, the ABS sensor is right there. So we need to remove it first or loosen it little bit. So I am trying to loosen it. So after loosening the bolt, I haven't removed the bolt. I've just loosened the bolt, and now I'm going to apply the fork seal protector. I try to bypass it to the hole. After installing the fork seal protector both the side, I'll give you a quick review, like a short video about the fork seal, like a slide, like. So get ready. The installation of the fork seal was not that difficult. Just the right side ABS sensor was there, so it was little bit difficult to install on the right side compared to the left side. Left side was pretty easy. But if you are doing on the right side, I recommend you having one more person with you to help you to install the part right there. So to hold, to squeeze the clamp, because of the fork seal, the clamp is like little bit spacing up, like so. Because of that you might require a extra person with you. The rest everything is fine. We'll give you a review soon. So if you love the installation of the Moto Genius fork seal protector, then give a like, subscribe, and comment down below how was the review and like what you want to know. After 200 kilometers, I'm going to give another review about the fork seal protector. And subscribe, and please subscribe to his channel also, Ride with War Machine. Please, your support is everything we want. Thank you guys.